Hi, my name is Marvene Carey, and I am a retired lady for 6.5 years. I first came in contact with Christ Community December of 2022. My son was diagnosed with congestive heart failure, and as a concerned mother, I came to Christ Community. We were assigned to a very special doctor. I call him Dr. Special K. And I always saw the concern, the compassion that he had caring for my son. The doctor observed my concern, the tenseness, the worry, and I was I was being treated by another doctor, and I always saw the care that was provided for him. And the staff was just super. And the doctor always saw that I was stressed out, and one day he asked me, "Can I pray with you all?" Well, in their office, you walk in the lobby, there's Christian music, there's scriptures on the walls and in the examining room. So I said, this place is just so special. Long story short, I experienced pain within my body and in my upper quadrant area. And Dr. K could always read into my pain, my concern, and he just asked me one day, "Are you okay?" And I said, "No, I am not." I shared my pain. He took the time to listen to me, even though he was caring for my son. And he asked a few questions, and then I asked the question, are you taking new patients, accepting new patients? And he just said yes. Then I asked, will you take me? He said, of course, Miss Carey. So the 2 and 3 week visit with my son, each scheduled appointments, I always accompanied him. So from the beginning, my first appointment, I think, was the latter part of March or April. He has been on point. He ordered a test, an MRI. After MRIs, ultrasounds, EDG, I think I'm saying it right, HIDA scan, chest x-rays, echocardiogram, he nailed it on the first test that he ordered, an MRI. They call me back in for a follow-up, a second MRI, because they detected something. Well, long story short, that sludge in the gallbladder of after 5 months, after it was discovered, and I had my gallbladder removed a week ago today, and I'm at Christ Community for a diagnosis of me being allergic to my hypertension medication. That's a whole nother story with the rashes and the breakouts and the biopsies. And I am so happy to say I'm here for a 6-week visit follow-up from how I have reacted to the new medication that was assigned by Dr. K. Look, donors, please, this place is a blessing. Christ Community. I look at the care that the other patients are receiving. The staff, they're so nice. I have called many times on behalf of my son for medication. I get a return phone call. Within an hour, they call me back. And what do you need? They're there. I've not run into not one rude patient, staff member here. Please continue your donations. It is working. It is working. And if you need me to come to plead with you or to ask you to continue your donation, I will do it. So please, this place is just a blessing. And thank you. Your donations are just miracles. Thank you very much.